Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on the acoustic guitar. We're going to be playing a song by Shawn Mendes, and I'm going to start off with the chords, strumming, and chords, and strumming again, but very quick to learn. So we're going to start off with the chords. Now the chords we're going to use here are going to be the bar chords. So first chord here, total of 4 in the beginning. So first chord is the D flat major 7. Second chord is the C minor 7. Third chord is going to be a G minor 7. So that one is going to be covering the whole entire 3rd fret. Ring finger on your 2nd string, going down on the 5th fret. And then the 4th chord is the E flat major 7. So this is like the D flat major 7, but on the 6th fret. Okay, so D flat major 7, C minor 7, G minor 7, E flat major 7. To make an easy strum pattern, here's an example. Then I'll go slow for you guys after. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So. So right there, I'm just doing the down and then tap and then up, up, up. So down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, up, up. So there's also a tap at the end. So down, then you can also do like a, let's see, down up. So the down, so down is down up, 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 down, up, 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 up. Okay. Now there is also a part right after, I guess kind of at the ending. I try to play it through so it goes. I think it's I can't seem to get you out of my mind. I think that's the lyrics where it goes. So that one is just the E flat major 7, D minor 7, and the C minor 7. So we're just moving the C minor 7 up to the 5th fret, but you're gonna go. If you hear it in the acoustic version, it goes 2 times. It might even hit an F if you want to hit that F there, and then go to the. So let me try to play it through. And then you could hit that F. That's a little weird, but go to there. But that is how you can play this song by Shawn Mendes. Hope you guys enjoyed it, liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will be doing some videos weekly, and you guys will see some ukulele. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.